Hello everyone, my name is Devendra Kumaran. I'm a Python trainer at QSpiders Dilsukhnagar. So here our student got placed in a company. So first let introduce yourself. Pawan.
Yeah, hi guys. My name is M. Pawan. I am recently graduated from Srita Group of Institutions. It's Hyderabad and with an accreditation of 7.5 CGPA in the Computer Science and Business System stream. And
So now what was it? How was your experience in QSpiders, Pawan?
yes,
Experience, sir. So how was your interview experience, Pawan?
so it was very great, sir. As we have got many input from our QSpiders institutes, from you and our Monty sir and our Yasin sir and Rahul sir. We have learned many things from this institute mainly. As we compare our experience, our knowledge level in the QSpiders, we have learned more things from the institute. The interview questions were a bit easy because we have learned many hard things and we have done many projects and worked on many real-time problems in our institute. It helped me a lot to get the interview successfully and it's on Monday, 17th November 2025.
How was your experience in QSpiders, Pawan? Till that very end.
Sir, as per me, I had a great experience in the QSpiders because I'm an incubation student, came from state group of institutions. We joined as a group of friends, and some of split to Java and some split to Python. I and some of my friends were joined in the Python full stack. We have learned SQL at the starting and continued with Python programming, Power BI, and Django. And we have also learned HTML, CSS, and running out with JavaScript, React. And I had a lot of knowledge. I acquired a lot of knowledge from our institute, and mainly from user, and because you have taught us Python programming and Django, which helped me to overcome the fear of developing web apps, and it boosted me a lot. And with the knowledge I gained from you and our QSpiders, I developed my own personal web apps. And I have also posted them in the web browsers. And these things I have mentioned in my interview. So they checked my projects through the browser and they have appreciated me. This Django helped me a lot to develop my own personal web apps.
So all the best, Pawan.
Thank you.
Congrats once again.